This is it, the new Toyota HiLux. We were hoping to test the popular SR5 double cab, and we still aim to in the near future, but for now, this SR extra cab high rider was the first example we could get our hands on. Toyota made some light styling revisions for the 2021 model, chief among which is the new look front grille, which is surrounded by a bold hexagonal border. There's also some new headlights, with LED technology for the upper models, and updated tail lights. Toyota Australia's design team helped devise the new look. Various changes are made underneath as well, including retuned suspension, with longer leaf springs to help reduce vibrations, and wider spacing for the springs to improve stability during cornering. Recalibration of the spring rates, shock absorbers, and bushes have been applied as well. Going for the extra cab body, as featured here, gets you a larger tub area than the standard double cab layout, with a payload capacity of 1,130 kilograms. That's quite a step up from the common SR5 double cab, which is rated at 995 kilograms. Despite looking like it could go anywhere, this model is actually rear-wheel drive, although 4x4 is available as an option. The SR Highrider also comes with heavy-duty steel wheels in black, so you don't have to worry about scratching them up. And these are wrapped in all-terrain tyres, as opposed to the highway terrain tyres on the SR5. Only minor changes have been made to the interior. For one, all versions now come with an 8-inch touchscreen media interface, offering Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as standard. There's also new speed and rev counters for the instrument cluster. A vinyl floor remains for the SR, which makes it an ideal workhorse. And this test car features the fully moulded, thick rubber mats. There are 2 seats in the back for the extra cab, but they are best reserved for shorter trips. Headroom and legroom are okay, but the backrest is completely vertical, and the cushions are very thin. The biggest change though is the updated engine. It gets an extra 20 kilowatts and 50 newton meters in automatic form. In short, it performs really well. In fact, it becomes the quickest 4-cylinder diesel ute we've ever tested. Just keep in mind, this is the 4x2 extra cab. The SR5 double cab 4x4 weighs around 135 kilograms more, so we'd expect the 0 to 100 time to be around a half a second to a full second slower. Even still, it definitely goes a lot better than the previous model. This is what it goes like.